Hey there, today we're excited to introduce AI Agent D, your AI-powered assistant built right into Dataroid. You can ask D questions about your data, spin up any analysis just by typing a prompt, manage your audience engagement, and do it all in a natural, back-and-forth conversation. Getting to AI Agent D is easy. Just click the AI Agent D tab in the left sidebar. It's available on every single page in Dataroid, so it's always just one click away. Once it's open, go ahead and start asking. It responds in whatever language you type in, and it keeps context throughout the conversation so you never have to repeat yourself. Let's see AI Agent D in action. Say we just ran a credit card campaign and we want to know, did applications actually go up? AI Agent D pulls the last 30 days of data, spots a clear spike in applications, and lays it out in a trend chart. Then, on its own, it suggests we dig deeper, maybe break things down by platform or country, so we'll do exactly that. We'll ask for a platform-level breakdown to see where the growth is coming from. AI Agent D splits out iOS, Android, and web. Turns out web and Android are driving the spike, but iOS isn't keeping up. Right away, D recommends running a funnel analysis specifically for iOS. We'll go ahead and ask it to build a 5-step credit card application funnel, filtered for iOS. Agent D sets up the funnel, shows conversion rates and average time spent at each step, and calls out that the biggest drop-off happens at step 3. It then nudges us to investigate why. So we ask, what's causing the drop-off at step 3? AI Agent D looks at user behavior and data patterns, then gives us a list of likely causes. Think of it as a ready-made hypothesis list. It even takes it a step further and suggests we check what users actually do right after step 2. We'll accept that suggestion and ask AI Agent D to show us exactly what happens after step 2. It comes back with a full breakdown of post-step 2 actions and their distribution. Here's the interesting part. 11% of users are hitting an in-app message. Agent D flags it right away and suggests we dig into the metrics on that message. We could absolutely keep going, drill into that error and check its metrics, but you get the idea. This is just one example of a flow you can run with AI Agent D. The point is, wherever your questions take you, AI Agent D keeps up and guides you to the next step. Now let's switch gears and look at a different use case. This time we're starting from campaign performance, looking at how users behave over time, and letting AI Agent D guide us through it. Here's the question: do users who click on a campaign actually come back to check out loan screens in the following days? We ask AI Agent D to show us the last 30 days as cohorts. Before jumping in, AI Agent D asks a few smart follow-up questions to make sure it gets the query right. We'll specify the events and view labels we want to use. With that info, AI Agent D recognizes this as a retention analysis and tells us the best way to set it up is through the retention module. It walks us through the steps. We'll hit Run Analysis, and AI Agent D automatically opens the retention module and fills everything in for us. Now that the analysis is done, we'll ask AI Agent D to break down the results. It reads through the table, pinpoints the days where return rates drop, and highlights the patterns worth paying attention to. It also gives us a visual of the cohort retention. Then it recommends segmenting these campaign-clicking users so we can build a more targeted strategy. We'll accept that recommendation and tell AI Agent D we want to create automatic segments based on campaign clicks and loan screen interactions. It points us to the Smart Segment module and walks us through the setup step by step. Before building the analysis, it asks a couple of clarifying questions. We'll tell it to treat all loan-related screens as a single signal. AI Agent D builds the Smart Segments analysis, makes all the right selections. Before clicking on Apply and Save to kick it off, I can make a slight change to the analysis, like changing its name. Once it's done, we'll ask AI Agent D to walk us through what the segments look like. It digs into the segments, explains which user groups stand out, how they're different from each other, and gives us a clear visual with segment sizes and percentage breakdowns. Next, we ask AI Agent D to pull metrics for any in-app messages with "loan" in the name. It scans through the in-app messages, finds the match, and brings back all the key numbers: impressions, clicks, and conversions. It also lets us know we can compare against a previous period or widen the date range if we want. We'll ask D to compare against the previous 7 days. AI Agent D lays out the 2 periods side by side with percentage changes. You can see exactly how message performance shifts. And to wrap things up, we'll ask AI Agent D for a summary of everything we've covered. It pulls the entire journey together in one clean summary, from campaign clicks to retention, smart segments, and metric comparisons, all in one conversation. Whatever you need to do in Dataroid, AI Agent D is right there. It does the heavy lifting, analyzes your data, serves up insights, and stays with you every step of the way. Ready to get started? Reach out to your customer team to learn more about taking advantage of AI Agent D. Thanks for watching.